Hey everyone, welcome back to the VectorShift tutorial for beginners. Whether you are brand new to VectorShift or just looking to sharp your skill a bit, you are in the right place. Today I am going to walk you through the full process of creating a pipeline from scratch, step by step. No skips, no confusion. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up your VectorShift environment, build a functional pipeline, and customize it to fit your automation or data workflow. Now, in order to do that, first of all, you have to log in the VectorShift. After logging in your VectorShift account, you will land on the dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage your projects, view existing projects, and start something new. In order to create a new pipeline, you have to just simply click on this pipeline option. From there, you have to click on this new button. Now from here, you have to look for a button that says new pipeline. As you can see here, just simply click on the create new pipeline. Now here you will be asked to name your pipeline. Try to pick something clear and descriptive. After giving the name to your pipeline, you will need to choose a pipeline type. VectorShift offers different templates based on your use cases. Just pick the one that fits your project's best. In my example, I will just simply click on this OpenAI and I will choose the OpenAI. Once you do, you will see a set of predefined stages. These represent each steps your data or automation will be go through. So each pipeline is made of multiple stages and you can tweak each one to fit your need. Now from here, click on any stages to edit its settings or change its function or fine tune how it behaves. If you want to add more stages, it is easy. Hit the add stage button over here. Now pick the type of the data and from here you have to choose the output and configuration, and you can configure them to suit your flow, whether that means selecting data source or setting up rules or integrating external tools. Once your stage are set up, it's time to connect them. Now just drag lines between them. For example, I will choose another stage. Now from here you have to just drag lines between the stages. You can just simply drag the line from this one stage to the second stage. Just simply put over here, and as you can see here, we have connected these two stages with each other. Now before moving on, take a moment to double check everything. Go through each stage setting. As you can see here, you can access the setting of stage from over here. You can just simply change the provider, and you can change the whatever you want. You can set up a temperature, max tokens, and top P as well. So over here you have to give the instruction, answer the question based on the context in professional manner. Now you from here you have to give the prompt, so you have to set up that too. Now once it all looks good, hit the save button. As you can see, I have saved this draft already. Once this locks in your pipeline configuration and gets it ready to action. Before going to live, it is smart to do a test run. Now just simply click on this run button. As you can see here, just simply click run pipeline. Now just simply click on this button in the bottom which says run. Now watch how the data moves and check for any issues or errors or weird behavior. If something is off, no worries, just go back and tweak the settings and test it again. As you can see here, this error is showing that the both system and prompt inputs are empty. Please enter the either system or prompt message. So just because of that, they is giving me the error. I will just simply fix it. So I have fixed the error which occurred earlier. Now once your pipeline passes the test, it's time to go. Now click on the deploy button to make it fully operational. Depending on the complexity, deployment usually takes just a few seconds. Now just simply click on the deploy changes. Now as you can see here, description, if you want to give, you can give the description as well. Just simply click on the deploy. Now your changes have been successfully deployed. After the deployment, your pipeline will run automatically based on the schedule or triggers you have set. Now from the dashboard, you can keep an eye on performance metrics, execution status, and real-time error. Now just simply go on the dashboard, access your pipeline and recent pipeline. Just simply click over here. Now VectorShift also has powerful analytics tools to help you. You can create customizable dashboards, track your workflow efficiently, and analyze trends over time. If you want to access the analytics, just simply click on the analytics in the left corner. As you can see, I can access all the analytics from this dashboard. From here, you will get the real-time insight and alerts if anything is off. So you can act fast and avoid bigger issues. So that's it. You have just built, tested, and deployed your first VectorShift pipeline. Whether you are dealing with the data, automation, and user interfaction, or business workflow, you now have the foundational knowledge to get things running smoothly. If you like this video, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.